Hi everyone! Today we are going to work on your everyday English conversation skills. I will share some common sentences and phrases to help you sound more natural when speaking. Let's get started. Hi, how are you?
I am good, thanks.
What's up?
Nothing special.
Nice to meet you.
How's your day?
It's going well, thanks. Long time no see. What's new? How is life? I am Hannah. This is my friend Sarah. What is your name?
My name is Juan.
Where are you from?
I am from America.
How do I get to the station? What's the time? Can you help me with this? Do you speak English? How much is this? Can I have a coffee, please? I would like a sandwich, please. What's the special today? Can I have a glass of water, please? Can I have the bill, please? Do you have any recommendations? I am just looking, thanks. Can I try this on? Do you accept credit cards? Where is the restroom? How do I get to the hotel? Is it far? Turn left. It's straight ahead. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat that? What's the weather like today? I would like a ticket to Disney. When's the next train? How long does it take? How long does it take? Can I see your result? What do you do? I'm a student. I am learning English. What do you do for a living? I am looking for a job. What's new with you? I am looking forward to the weekend. Hope you are too. Learning English has been a game changer for my career. What's the best way to improve my speaking skills? I have been practicing English for a year now. Do you have any tips for traveling abroad? I'm looking for a plumber. Can you help me with this? What's your phone number? Can I get your email? I will send you a message. Let's stay in touch. Take care. See you later. Can I ask you a question? What's the difference between these two things? How do you say this? Can you write it down? Is it correct? I would like to order food. Enjoy your meal. What's the best way to get there? How often do you go there? It was great talking to you. Let's do it again sometime. I am feeling a bit tired today. What's the plan for tomorrow? I am excited for the weekend. Let's catch up soon. Sounds good to me. That's okay. No worries.